Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize tabs on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Steam is one of the biggest online video game distributors for PC games. Aside from that, it is also a popular place for gamers to discuss and play games together. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to create Steam account, how to manage your account. But now, what if you want to customize tabs on your Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, to help to open our Steam, you can open it on your PC or laptop or your mobile phone. For example, we'll try to use my mobile phone. After that, you can just go to settings. You can select on the three lines over here. Select on settings. From settings, you'll find there's an option like push notification and customize tabs. Because we want to customize tab on Steam, you can select on customize tab. And here, you can just choose for the first tab. You want to place store. By default, it's set to store. But maybe if you want to set it to profile, you can select on profile. For tab 2, maybe you want to place store. And tab 3, you can change to your your wish list. And tab 4, maybe you want to change it to inventory. And that is, you have changed. You can see the difference in this tab. So it's very simple, right? So that is how to change, how to customize tab on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.